Hi, my name is Elise Pickett with the Urban Harvest, and I teach people how to grow vegetables. When you are looking at what to plant when, seasons and planting zones or growing zones are a really good place to start. That's what you see when you flip over the back of the seed package and it shows you that pretty little chart with all the different colors. Those growing zones are based strictly on your frost date. That is the only thing that they consider in that planting chart. And it's a really important tool and part of making your decision as to what seasons you're in and when you should be planting things. But it is only one part of the overall picture. So some other really important things to consider when you're looking for your seasons in your area is rainfall, whether it is your rainy season or your dry season. You also want to consider your temperature highs and lows. Frost date is only a frost date. It's not saying that your temperatures can reach 90 or your consistent January temperatures are down in the teens. So it's only looking at frost date. So also considering those highs and lows within your area and your growing zones is another really important factor. When you put all of those together, you're able to get a really good idea of when you have time to plant up to based on your frost date, but then you can pick the plants that are best suited based on your rainfall for that time frame and also your temperature highs and lows. For more information on growing or planting zones and other beginner garden resources, head over to kellogg.garden.com.